Hello everyone, my name is Shivangi Shukla. I go by Shiva. This is my YouTube channel. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a dancer. I've been a dancer all my life. I thought I wanted to pursue it as a career. Unfortunately, that never happened and I stopped dancing. Today, almost like 9-10 years after I stopped dancing, I decided to get back into it because that's one thing that gives me happiness. So this channel here, this is not about professional dancing. It's not about doing everything properly. It's about enjoying dancing. It's about enjoying the music. It's about having fun. I'm going to try to keep the choreographies as simple as possible so that it's easy for everyone to follow along. I also try uploading some tutorials just to make it more easy for you. This is my journey and I wanted to ask you guys to come along with me and know that anything is possible. Again, this is not a fan page. We're just gonna do it for ourselves, just to have fun. So that was a short story about me. Please help me with my journey. And today I'm gonna upload my first ever video on Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye. That's the choreography that I just recently did. I've kept it very, very simple. I'm gonna try and put some easy peasy steps. So let's get into it. So Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye is repeated at least 3 times in the beginning. So the first one, you just take your finger and you're talking about Ek Baar. So you just be like Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye. So what I'm doing is I take my hand up and I'm like Ek Baar. Then you cover your face and then you move your hand slightly, you tilt your head a little and then you look up with your eyes very softly. And then you look down, you bring it back. So it's very soft. Once again, so you go Ek Baar, cover your face, dekh, tilt a little, lijiye, and then you look up and then you calm down, right? From here, there's a tal, it's like tuck, tuck, tuck. So you go like this, your shoulders, your hands should be a little tilted. It's a semi-classical move. And your hands go 1, 2, 3. You can do maximum 3 times. It's a very quick beat. बहुत जल्दी है. So it's like Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye and then tuck, tuck, tuck. It's that quick. Right? Doing it again. So you start from here. You're like Ek Baar, cover your face, tilt a little, look up, bring down, tuck, tuck, tuck. 3 times. Okay? So that's like the first Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye, right? It's repeated again after the music, after the tal, it's repeated again. So then this time you're doing it like near your face. So you do Ek Baar, cover your face, Dekh, bring your hand up, Lijiye, it's very slow. Make sure you're taking it very slowly. Then you look to your side and you come back in again. Again, Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye. It's a very slow song, so you have to be very, very careful. आप उसको बहुत speed में नहीं कर सकते. You have to take it very, very easily. So that's the second time. Second time you're doing what? You're doing 1, 2, a wave. Wave किया हाथ से आपने. Second time आप हाथ ऐसे नीचे लाके face पे रोक देंगे, eyes के पास. Second hand you slowly join and then you look outside the window. Get back in. It's like that. Looking outside the window, getting back in. Right? So you do it again. So 1, 2, cover your eyes, hold it, side se dekhna hai aapko aise. Right? So we're starting from the beginning. So the first one, so it's like Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye, tak, tak. Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye. Right? Here. Then she says, Deewana bana dijiye. So you take your fingers and just turn it clockwise. हाथ का connection नहीं छूटना चाहिए. So you take it like this from here. यहाँ से आपने पकड़ा and you turn around. So you go 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Then you leave it. Turn, turn, turn. Leave it. Okay? It's very slow. Deewana bana. आपको इसे मारने में सर पे like bana dijiye. You take it out. Open your hands like this, right? So your hands need to move across your face. So it's like Deewana, you feel it. Bana dijiye. You're asking someone, so you always look in that direction as well. because it's kind of a hint of semi-classical here, right? In the movement, that's why. So you're doing दीवाना बना दीजिए. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3. दीवाना बना दीजिए. Now again, एक बार देख. This goes like this. ये जो आपका thumb है ये से अंदर रहेगा. Okay, you do this is the third time you're doing. So third time is like एक बार देख लीजिए. A little bit of like you're moving the chest a little because you're asking him to look at you. Not a lot, a little, right? So what did I do? एक बार देख, आंखें हैं, देख लीजिए. Very soft, just like you just थोड़ा सा ऐसे move करेंगे आप, ठीक है? Then it says जलने को हैं तैयार हम. Actually, you know what? Let's do it till here so that we get a little bit of gist of this. Okay, so it starts like this and it starts like एक बार देख लीजिए. ठक ठक ठक, right? Then एक बार देख लीजिए. दीवाना बना दीजिए. Please focus, don't focus on my singing, guys, it's very bad. But then again, एक बार देख लीजिए. Right? From here, जलने को है तैयार हम. So you take your hand, जलाना है. माचिस जलाते हैं, जलाना है. The finger, this one, it will be in a त्रिपताक position. So if I use, आपको से जलाना है. दीवाना, your hand stays like this only. So जलने को है तैयार हम. Again, जो आपने पहले किया था थोड़ा सा बस वही करना है. तो आप कह रहे हैं जलने को है. Slowly touch your hand, bring it back. तैयार कौन है? हम, right? So जलने को है तैयार हम, correct? परवाना, no, परवाना is very simple. परवाना से आपको अपना हाथ एकदम से ढीला, you have to leave it loose. I have to do परवाना बना दीजिए, right? परवाना 3 times है. You take it very slowly. परवाना बना दीजिए. You bring it back here. Again, very loose hands. So that ऐसा भी नहीं जाएगा, but it's loose. So but it stays here. So that परवाना बना दीजिए, right? And your last one is एक बार देख. This is the last time you're doing it. So you go down. You're like, you do this. Tap your finger. So you tap your finger like एक बार. You're looking down, then you look up. देख लीजिए, and then you just stop because you just wish the person looks at you. It's a semi-classical dance. It's all about expressions. You have to take it very soft, very slow. Every time you have to look around when you're doing anything. If you're taking your hand back, you have to look where your hand is traveling. That's the thing about semi-classical. ये आपको ध्यान रखना. Okay? Okay. So we'll roll it from top one more time. Okay? So how does it go? It goes like एक बार देख लीजिए. ठक ठक ठक. You have to be a little quick here, right? Then एक बार देख लीजिए. दीवाना बना दीजिए. एक बार देख लीजिए. जलने को है तैयार हम. परवाना बना दीजिए. एक बार देख लीजिए. And then you hold. Certain things to keep in mind. जैसे मैं आपको पहले कहा, keep it very very soft. It's a very soft song. It's a song where she's kind of like requesting. She has the urge that he looks at her, so it has to be very soft on your face, and have to be, your movements have to be very like flowing. When you're doing this, like very flowing, right? Expressions, feel the song. Please look in the direction if you're moving your hands somewhere. I hope this was useful for you. I am going to do this playing the song one time as well. Please do tell me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever made a tutorial video. I've taught people a lot in person when I danced, but I've never done this. So please do tell me what improvements do I need on this one, and I'd love to work on that. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for having me.